Today I'm going to reveal the secret to getting a massive drum mix. So if you want to know what that secret is, stick around after this introduction. Welcome everybody to the Audio Sorcerer YouTube channel, the place where we talk about music production, audio mixing, mastering, and even a little bit about music business. So if those topics interest you, you've come to the right place. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. So in today's video, we are talking about the Black Salt Audio Drum Bus plugin, which is absolutely phenomenal. So I have been using this plugin since it came out several months ago. I've been using it on all my clients' work and the results have been great. And I've kind of waited to make this video till I've used it for a while. And I just want to make sure now that I'm getting the word out, this is a great plugin, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use it on a drum bus. And then I'm going to show you how I use it for parallel compression, and we'll put those two together and make this massive drum sound, okay? So if you do end up liking this plugin, I have a link in the description below where you can go purchase it. And before we get further into the video, I do want to mention that I offer professional audio mixing and mastering services at an affordable rate, and first-time customers get 20% off. So definitely check out the link below. All right, so with that out of the way, let's get into today's topic and let's look at the Black Salt Audio Drum Bus plugin. All right, so here we are in Pro Tools and I have the Black Salt Audio Drum Bus plugin open. So we're going to be using this on a drum track in a song called Temper by Judge and the Kid. So let's give it a listen and see what we're working with. All right, so as you can hear, we have a pretty good drum mix so far. So all I'd really like to achieve here with the Black Salt Audio Drum Bus is to get just a little bit more punch overall and to inflate the sound, make it sound just a little bit bigger. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn up the compressor knob all the way. And the reason that I do this is because it allows me to hear what the compressor is doing. And it also allows me to set the attack time properly, making sure that the transients are getting through so we have that punch that I'm looking for. So let me play the mix here and I'm going to dial in the plugin. All right, so that is sounding absolutely massive. It is sounding great. So before I do the before and after playback, let me explain to you what I did. So on a drum bus, I'm looking to get 2 to 3 dBs of gain reduction. So if you were watching the meter here, you would have saw that it was getting around 2. And to get it set there, all you have to do is dial in the comp knob here. So I end up around 58%. Next, I added some saturation in using the heat knob. So if you know me, I absolutely love saturation. If there is a knob for it, I'm likely to use it. And it definitely made these drums sound just a little bit cooler, add a little bit more character to them, all right? Next here, I set the attack knob. And again, this allows me to make sure that the transients are getting through properly. And I'm mostly listening to the snare drum for this. So I ended up around 22%. So for the tone knob here, if you turn this up, it's going to be brighter. If you turn it down, it's going to be warmer. It's very simple. I added just a little bit of brightness to the mix here. And then lastly, this salt knob is pretty cool. It basically like enhances certain frequencies in the overall mix. I'm not sure what it's quite doing under the hood, but you can really hear a major difference in the snare drum when I crank this up, and I absolutely love how it sounds. So let's now listen to the before and after so you can hear what it sounds like. right, so that is sounding quite amazing. However, we're not done yet. We're actually going to use this plugin here for some parallel compression on the overall drum mix. So as you can see here, where my mouse is at, this is a Paradrums track that I created. And I have an instance here of the Black Salt Audio drum bus here, not set yet. So we are going to smash the drums here and then essentially mix in this track here to inflate the sound just a little bit further, all right? So let's dial it in. All right, so that is sounding absolutely massive. Wow, is pretty much all I got to say. All right, so what I did here was I just chose a preset. I chose Heavy Crush. And if you know me, I typically use a preset for anytime I'm doing parallel compression because you don't really have to dial it in so much. You just got to make sure that the sound is really smashed, okay? So that's what I chose. And then I dialed it in here with this fader here. So we're at about a -11 on the volume here. And I felt like that was a really good blend. And as you can hear in the before and after, you know, we had something really good before, but we have something great now. This just really made the drums sound massive. So that is my review on the Black Salt Audio drum bus. If you do end up liking this plugin, I have a link in the description below where you can go purchase it. If you did end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe because I'm making this content for you and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video when it comes out. And if you enjoyed this content, check out my review/tutorial on the Black Salt Audio Oxygen. And with that being said, until the next video, I will see you guys later and peace out.